So let's see here. We've got Shamika here, and she's selling handmade shop natural handmade skin care products. Awesome. And you are so welcome, Diane. Absolutely. So let's see here. We've got B Fly Essentials LLC. So I think you can structure your name so you could capitalize the B. It would just make it look a little bit easier to understand if it was, if you capitalize the B and the F. I guess that's just my, you know, per- perfectionism. Played around with the banner. I don't really like it. Okay. You don't like the banner? Yeah, it's a little bit pixelated there. I'm not sure. Is this one that we put together for you, Shamika, or did you make this one yourself? I do think it looks nice. I just think it's a little pixelated, but I think it looks good. So you made it. Okay. Well, I think it looks pretty good. I just think the pixels look the image quality is a little funky right there. It's a little bit pixelated, but other than that, I think it looks really nice. I like the colors and I like your logo too. So images kept coming up blurry. Yeah, there's some sort of editing way you got to do it to make it pop out just right. But overall, I'd say don't worry about it. It looks pretty good. If you can figure out how to get this stuff not blurry right there, obviously, go ahead and do that. But I think it's a great banner to get started with. I like the colors and everything. So let's see what we got here. I would recommend also adding your location right here, just so it looks a little bit more complete, because you can put your location. And I don't see that you got any sales yet, but let's see down here, your shop policies. That's another thing that would be really good for you to fill in. I like that you've got your, about section, but we have some templates right here that you can get for some shop policies. So if you come into the membership site and go to templates, and let's see, where's this one? Fill in the blank shop policies template. Let me grab this for you right here. So these little shop policies, real simply, it's just good to fill in the information about refunds, exchanges, shipping, different things like that. And that way Etsy knows what, how you're going to take care of their customers in any kind of situation. So I'd recommend filling in those details right there. Let's see. Janellis has a question. Is January a slow month for sales or not really? I don't think January is a slow month. I've always done well in January. It's not probably going to be as big a month as December, because December is, the biggest month, Christmas and everything like that. And everybody's, Christmas is such a big deal. There's so much shopping that goes on. But I still think January is a very strong month overall. So let's get back to Shamika's here. So I think your images overall, they look good. They're colorful. I like that they're bright. These ones I think could be brightened up a little bit more, perhaps. Let's see. We've got lip gloss, pink lemonade, Pinky's drip. Okay. So $5. It's very cute. Bee Fly Essentials. I don't know what's missing. I feel like it's just missing some information a little bit. Like I feel like I'm not getting the full picture here. So the image itself looks a little like faded almost. It just looks a little hazy. And I think you're selling such a beautiful product and it's so colorful. So maybe it just needs a little bit more light in the photo. But I will say, I like that you've put them on a beautiful background. It's a nice, consistent color, and it looks really, really clean. But these ones just they're not quite popping. Let's look up on Etsy, see what else there's. Great point there, Libby. I think a picture of it on lips would be kind of nice too. So let's see here. So you see how like these ones right here, super bright, it looks like they took it on a rock in the middle of the day, which is kind of funny, but you see really bright. This photo is really bright, really crisp and clear. Whereas yours is just it's kind of a little hazy, fuzzy kind of a look to it. So, honestly, I think for a product like this, I think of pink lemonade, I think summer, I think spring, I think green grass and lots of sunlight. And honestly, I love the idea of taking a product like this outside. And look, this person literally did exactly what I'm saying. They took a picture in the green grass. Now, little quick tip, guys, if you don't have green grass, no worries. Go get some turf grass. Turf grass looks just as good. And you can get some at Home Depot. You can literally drive on over to Home Depot if you got one next to you, and you can just buy a little chunk. Look at this stuff, $2 a square foot. You can have it shipped to the store. You can pick it up there, and you could get, you could get a 1 foot by 1 foot chunk. And let's see, that's only 1 foot by 1 foot chunk, 26 bucks. Okay, so maybe it's a little bit. One linear feet. Oh, okay. Maybe they just don't want to sell it in there. Overall, though, still $26 to get a nice chunk of grass that you could take lots of photos on. And it's going to make your photos look so much brighter and cheerier and happier. So I would recommend doing something like that. And you see, even this seller, their photo is real hazy. So I would really maybe suggest doing that. Take some photos, get a little piece of turf grass so it's always going to look bright and cheery, and lay them out on top of that. Now, let's look at this keyword here. So, the first keyword that you're optimizing for on this listing is lip gloss, but that is a big keyword. And I think you'd probably be a little bit better to do something a little smaller because the very first keyword is the most important keyword in your entire listing title. So, it's important to get it as precise as possible. Okay. So, let's see if we can get some ideas here. We've got lip gloss, and that one's got 58,000 results. So that's a really big keyword. But look, they're giving us a bunch of suggestions right here. Lip gloss bundles, but I'm going to go a little bit. I'm just going to get your pink lemonade, and I'm going to add that to the keyword. We got pink lemonade lip gloss, 622 results. So I don't like that one so much because it's a little too small, but let's try lemonade. Lemonade is only 792, kind of small still. So let's just try pink. Pink lip gloss. Here we go, 9,000. That is a much better keyword than lip gloss because it's a lot more precise, but it's still not so big that you're not gonna have to compete so hard. So with pink lip gloss, you're at 9,700 results, whereas just regular lip gloss, you're at 58,000. So it's just a lot more competition to deal with right there. So you could try that. Let's see, Pinky's drip. Mm, so that would be my recommendation is just to go in there and try to make the keywords a little bit more precise and get a few more in there. You could try pink lip gloss. You could try, let's see, Karen says flavored lip gloss. Let's try that one. Flavored lip gloss, we've got 6,000. I like that one. That's a good keyword too. That's a good one there too. So 6,000 something hundred results. So you could use that one as well. But I would recommend finding a few more keywords, and I would make the first one, I would aim for that pink lip gloss or maybe that flavored lip gloss because those are both within the sweet spot. And the sweet spot range is sweet spot keyword range is 1,000 to 10,000 results, guys. That's the ideal number of results you want to be competing for if you're a newer shop, because it's a little harder to compete for those really big ones when you're pretty small. So I think overall most of your photos are really nice. I think these ones are really pretty. I would just make sure your keywords a little bit more precise and try and aim for keywords within 1,000 to 10,000 results range, and then get some of those photos a little bit more bright because they're just a little bit fuzzy there. But overall, Shamika, I like it. I think it's really cute. And then let's see here. I would renew this listing as well. So once you go in and make some changes to the keywords, maybe you go with that pink lip gloss keyword for 9,000 results. Go ahead and renew the listing. And I would recommend renewing this listing maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And that's going to help you shoot up through the search results. And once you get to that first page, then you'll see it's a lot easier to get those consistent sales coming in on a regular basis. But I would say great job, Shamika. I love the colors. I like the aesthetic. You're on the right